My name is Adam. I just graduated and began working in an engineering company designing buildings, but I hated the industry, so I packed my bags and set out to find my real spark. In this episode, I explore the world of podcasting and learn what it takes to get your voice online for the world to hear. What is going on, y'all? My name is Adam, and just like the intro said, today we are going to be trying something new and have a go at podcasting. Okay, raise your hand if you listen to podcasts. Yep, I'm seeing every single one of you listen to podcasts because they're freaking amazing. I literally spend every single day listening to different podcasts, whether it's The Daily, Call Her Daddy, or Crime Junkie. I'm obsessed with all of them. And honestly, there's never really a bad time to listen to a podcast. I'll listen to them while I'm driving the car, while I'm doing the dishes, while I'm on a walk, and even in the shower. It is the ultimate multitasking tool, and it's something I'd really love to get more into. They are a really easy way for people to digest a lot of new information in like a really low-key way. And I'm realizing that podcasts could actually be really helpful for me. Let me explain. I'm pretty new to the YouTube thing, and I've realized that there's a lot of information that I'm cutting out of my videos. There are so many more details I'd love to include, but honestly, it's just not very entertaining to watch. Insert podcasts here. I could just sit down and go through my process of making these really cool projects a reality. I can share tips and tricks for all the viewers like you who want to try it at home. I could even spill the tea on what I found to be really hard and what I found to be a little bit easier to do. Okay, first things first, I need a microphone to film these podcasts. Let's go ahead and head to the store. I'll see you there. Alright, welcome back home. We have a little bit of an unboxing to do today. I just picked up the Yeti Nano. Now, I did a little bit of research about what microphone was going to be best and decided that just going to Target and seeing what they had was going to be my best option. Let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box. So when trying to figure out what kind of microphone I wanted, there were a few things that I needed. First, I wanted it to connect straight to my computer. I did not want to have to require like some kind of recording device or like XLR cables. That was an absolute no-no. And then you have, oh my gosh, it's kind of cute. I see why they call it the Mini. It's so small. But man, I think it's supposed to be able to do everything that I wanted to. It records in like this pattern so that people who just want to talk to a microphone can do that. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my computer. Let's see if it takes a while. Okay, so I just moved to my closet. Apparently, it's supposed to be better acoustics in here. Things aren't bouncing all over the walls. I have my laptop here. I have the mic. The software I'm gonna record on is just GarageBand, mostly because it's free and it's already on my laptop and I don't need anything fancy. So what you're also gonna need is a pair of headphones. This you can plug right into the microphone. It'll let you hear everything, make sure that you're being recorded. You're also gonna need one that has the audio jack. That's just because if you use like Bluetooth AirPods, it's gonna come back delayed and it's gonna sound kind of weird. Okay, so I have everything connected. I can hear myself in my headphones. It looks like everything's recording correctly. I'll check in with you after the podcast and let you know how it goes. Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today in my very first podcast. I'm super excited to share with you all kind of my experiences of making these different YouTube videos. So for today's podcast, it is going to be all about what I did to make my videos of my grandparents. So I just got finished with my 40-minute podcast. I'm pretty excited with how it came out. I was a little nervous that it was gonna be hard to talk for that long. Honestly, it was pretty easy. Apparently, I like to talk a lot. If you are interested in listening to the podcast yourself, I have added it to my Patreon page, which you can find in the description below. Essentially, it's gonna be a piece of bonus content for people who want to support me as a creator. So after everything was said and done, I really enjoyed podcasting. It was really fun, and it was kind of just a way for me to share kind of my stream of consciousness with you all. I highly recommend it for anyone who wants to give it a try. Getting started is super easy, and honestly, anyone can do it. Anyone can talk to a microphone. Make sure you check out the link in my description box below. It's gonna have the link to my Patreon account where you can help support me as a creator and also hear all these really cool podcasts. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. See you later.